it's your girl Be Natural and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you guys how I get my hair like this using this hair. So yeah guys, it's not my real hair. I got a lot of people asking me if it's my natural hair. No, it's not. I'm wearing this hair and I made clip-ins with it. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to get your hair like this. So if you wanna see, stay tuned. So the hair I'll be using today, it's the Big Beautiful Hair Purple Pack by Purple Pack, and I'm using the color 1B, and then it's 4C coily because my hair is 4B. The hair came with instruction of how to wash it and some tip and tricks of how to take care of it. And it's 100% human hair premium blend. I paid $30 Canadian, and plus tax it was like $34 Canadian for it, but if you live in the States you're probably gonna get it for cheaper, obviously. So yeah, and it came with 4 small bundles. So what I did, I opened one bundle and then I sew the 2 ends together. I'm gonna show you guys closely. So I took, like you can see, I sewed 2 ends together and I sewed everything. So for more volume, you don't have to do that if you don't want to. And after that I measure it, like I measured at the back of my head like that, and then I cut, and after that I sewed the clip-ins. It was really easy, it wasn't hard. Like you can watch YouTube video of how to make your own clip-ins, because it was my first time doing it and I wasn't sure of what I was doing. I was confused the whole time. I don't know what I was doing, so I didn't film it. It's for me to install the hair. Let me show you guys. That's how the hair look like. I've been wearing this for about almost a month now, so it look a little crazy, but it looked really nice. Now it's, and you got a lot of hair. Like let me show you. Like that's a lot for 1 pack. I only got 1 pack. And for my hair, so what I did, I have flat twist. I have about 11 flat twist here, like as you can see. I might come closer for you guys to see. And then I have leave out. So I have the front, because I'm doing a middle part, so I took out my middle part and I did like twist, and then I have like 2 small flat twists on the side just for leave out, and then I have 2 small at the back. Also, if I want to put in a ponytail, it will be easier and my track won't show. And yeah, and I just have flat twists in the middle for me to install the hair. And I'm just gonna install the hair and show you guys. So okay, I already installed one. So what I do, I take 1 piece of hair, I measure it, make sure it fit, make sure it will fit. Open, so it's closed like that. Open it, open both sides, and then make sure close. Those are my twists. And I'm just gonna open them a little. By the way, to do my twist, actually no, to do my twist, I used my passion fruit curl control by Curls, this one, and you just need to use a little bit, just a little bit, just a tiny bit, for your hair. And I moisturize my hair with my regular shea butter. That's all I did. And then yeah, so I'm just gonna open my twist. You know what, let me just put my head down first so I can see what I'm doing, so I can blend it in properly. So I do it one by one. Good. I really don't care if it look, because the hair is already like kind of messy, so I don't mind if the definition doesn't show that much. Yeah. Make sure everything is covered. You can actually shape it with your hands. I've never cut it, like I didn't cut it at all. I always shape it with my hands because I don't know what go in the front and what go in the back half of the time. So I shape it in my hand, with my hands, I mean. And yeah guys, I think, and if you want to, you don't have to. I prefer not to. You can just put your edge control and do your baby hair. When I do my edges, I just use my main choice edge control, but today I don't wanna do that. And you really don't have to, because the hair is super kinky. Like, I actually like it with my edges not done. But yeah guys, that's all. And I'll show you the back, I'll show you the front and closer look. Oh, but you can see how my hair blend in with it. Like, it's just a little bit lighter. Like, next time I'm buying it, I'm definitely gonna buy number 2, because the number 1 is just slightly darker than my hair. But I love this hair, I love it so much. And yeah, that's all guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share it with your friends. And yeah, thank you so much. Bye.